you? Take a business. I mean, don't go for your candana. What's going on there? What's it? What's wrong with this scratcher? This is not something. What is fine? How can we help you? My prince, what's going on? This is a sample. I've been your school to don't bust. I'll be your head don't damage. What did they happen? What did they happen? What did they happen? Damn it. So, do we take you to the hospital? My prince, what's going on? He didn't read. Go away! I said go away! I don't need your help!
You don't need our help, okay.
Go away! Scratch him now.
Hey, sweetie.
Hey, guys! Scratch it.
Huh?
Come on, scratch it. Mom will scratch it.
Okay, you said we should...
Get away! You need fucking help! What did they want to do? You only come. They do your hand like this. Huh? Scratch it. Okay, the only thing go happen, I'm saying you go spread that thing for ground. Then we'll see what it happen.
What does that mean?
Spread go away! Go! Now
let's take him to the hospital.
Go! I don't need your fucking help! This will be hospital. This is now overused bola. This bola don't weak. Don't as in
what is bola?
Okay, you don't know what is bola.
What?
Go away! I said go away!
We need to take this guy to the hospital. He's dying.
He said no. What is the mom do?
Prince, we need to take you to the hospital.
Okay, let me help you, sir. Let me help you, sir.
Wait. What's bola?
Right, see, don't decrease. Go away! I said go! I don't need your fucking help! It's okay, my prince, no problem. What the hell? Until he go peel. More go. Peel? Silas! Scratch it! Come on, bro, scratch it! Now you believe you go scratch it. What did only you know if you scratch? Say more for scratch.
Wait, I need to get something straight. Is he asking us to scratch his penis?
Okay, you know it to be bola. They call it penis. Since when they start they call bola penis?
It's penis.
Okay, it's penis. Me, I don't get penis. I bola I get. Okay, now you go scratch that. You cannot go scratch anything. He said, more no help. And more they go now.
Do you have an infection?
Get away!
All right then.
Come on, guys. Silas! Come on, nigga. You're gonna scratch it. Scratch it. Okay. If now you be me, you go scratch this thing.
Silas, go and scratch it then.
No, go scratch. Go scratch. Who won't go scratch? With this finger, I don't even get nails.
Did you hear what happened to the prince? His manhood is missing. It just disappeared.
think you're smart in all you do. This is inhuman. It's not good at all. This has fallen apart. No more rules and respect. Royal blood has mixed with commoners' blood. What is happening now? This is strange.
Iyami, Abasi member. Listen. Look, let me tell you. You cannot die now. Not in this palace now. Do you know what we have in this palace? There is enough to eat and to drink. Look, I know you love chicken. If you die, even you are separate, we'll miss chicken. Sister, you have to wake up. Your mother will miss you. Keep quiet. What happened to her? You're not happy that she's dead? That is -1. We'll have enough to eat, enough to drink, and enough to do this. You're crazy. Shut up, your mouth. Look, let me tell you. Yeah, Sarah, leave her. Don't wake her. Don't wake her up. Don't wake her up. That is -1 for me. Yeah, Sarah, stop. Let take care, Sarah. Don't wake her. Let her die and go in peace. Allow her to rest in the spirit. How am I speaking?
So, what did the doctor say was the cause of Uloma's death?
She had an abortion.
She had an abortion? How?
I am extremely disappointed. Could you imagine such unwholesome practices going on in my palace and I did not know about it? I must fish out the person responsible for the pregnancy she tried to abort. That person must pay dearly for it.
Pregnancy in the palace? This is so serious.
The prince is under spiritual forces beyond. that which he attracted to himself. Punishment for allowing that in between his legs to control him. Forcefully having carnal knowledge of virtually all the maidens in this palace. His manhood has been taken. A maiden in this palace has his manhood. She is the daughter of Iyamini, the offspring of Irowa, the river goddess and the controller of the 7 rivers that met at Amanatha, who has come to be by reincarnation. She inherited the powers of the forces of the 7 rivers. She is harmless, but may turn harmful at the sight of any danger. Above all, she is innocent. That which has been hidden from her from a very long time shall surface. Today, justice prevails.
A maiden in this kingdom has my only son's manhood, the heir apparent to the throne of Oboduku kingdom. And you call her innocent? Guard! Guard! Maiden! Who amongst you led with my son? I think that should be a wrong question to ask. Who amongst you have my son's manhood? Hey. Where are the rest?
Listen, my name is Paul. I am the chief cook in this palace. If you cooperate with me, I'll feed you very well. And why are you always alone? You know you're a pretty girl.
Paul!
And
What did they do?
excuse me?
I said, they do. Excuse me. Come, show.
Mr. Silas, can I help you?
Show.
Yes.
What did they do with this girl?
Excuse me?
I said, what did they do with this girl?
I was just trying to interview her.
A lie. You won't dog this girl.
Doc, what do you mean?
But I put them to you say if you dog this girl, you no go survive her.
Listen to me. You're not my father. I can't take instructions from you.
What did they worry you?
I can only take instructions from the king.
Listen to me. I don't confirm saying that this girl I see for my dream. There's something spiritual about this girl. Like you won't die.
What are you talking about?
What you know they talk about?
No, this is a different girl.
No, not she.
No, she's not the one.
The girl attitude, that there's something about this girl that she I see for my dream.
Excuse me? What do you mean?
I didn't tell you go there and say
No, listen to me. Mr. Silas, I can't take instructions from you. I only take instructions from the king.
You know go do this girl.
She's the wrong girl.
She's the girl.
She's the wrong girl.
I the girl. I don't believe you.
the one whom you seek.
Young maiden, who are you?
What shall it profit a man if he gains the whole world and loses his soul today?
Listen, I don't understand what you are talking about. And I ask you again, who are you?
I am Asamiri, the daughter of yours whom you had with another and abandoned years ago. The one whom you left to suffer in abject poverty. I'm here to take over.
Now listen to me, young maiden. The man you behold right in front of you is an oracle. By the virtue of the city he occupies as the paramount ruler of Oboduku Kingdom. I do not know of any daughter of mine outside this palace. And I ask you, who is your mother?
My mother's name is Rose. The one generally known as Auntie Rose in this palace.
Rose's daughter in my house.
The daughter of Oyemiri cannot be deceived for too long. The time is now.
Igbodumodu is not your father. I lied. I lied to you. I lied to you, my daughter. Yes, he laid with me after drugging him. I have always wished to betroth my friend, the Queen, after we had issues in the past, and she insulted and called me names. I tried all my best to convince the king that the baby belongs to him. I got my eyes on royalty. I got my eyes on the throne. But then, all I did them for you to give you a better life. Because your father, your biological father, was not financially stable to take care of us then. I tried all my best to convince the king that the baby belongs to him. But he insisted on a DNA test, which made me to hide you away from him and never allowed you to confront him. I went diabolical to contaminate the king and the entire palace with the spirit of sex under his very watch. But all my efforts and tries failed. Though I would have achieved all my dream, but the king is spiritually strong and he's a principled man to the core. My queen, please forgive me. I don't know what came over me. My daughter, I'm so sorry I lied to you. Your biological father is Mr. Maxwell, the CEO of Max Mix Paint Nigeria Limited. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I lied to you. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
She came to take over the balance. She's on a mission.
The gods are wise.
She has interior motives. She's not what you thought she is. She's a friendly friend. She's clothed with many colors, many colors. What a friendly friend. A wolf in sheep clothing.
What about my son? What happens to my son's manhood?
His fate, it is. But then, let the gods decide.
The quest for better sometimes comes with a lot. We get distracted along the way without recognizing opportunities when they stare at us in the face. Brother, it is time. We have to do this.
I don't want you to go. I'm really gonna miss you.
My princess, now me go miss you, Paso. It's just that I don't know as I want to tell you, making no be like say I the job. I go miss you. But I just got to go. I need to see my popsy, you know, seeing nowhere.
I understand. Listen, I want you to have this.
No. My princess, no. No, your papa don't pay me salary now. They just give me salary. I get money, I owe.
It is for Paps's treatment.
No, my princess. I don't feel accept this.
No, don't do this. I insist you have it, okay? It's for your father's treatment. You wouldn't use your salary to take care of him. How much is it anyways? Just have this, okay?
My princess, please, God bless you. Please. I don't want to accept this thing, no.
No, you should. You need it. Dad needs it, okay? Alright.
Okay. Thank you.
Come here.
Princess.
Come on. Listen, no one is here, okay?
Princess, you know see no dey my mind. It in my mind. Me no fit say I be weakling. Oh my body didn't move me. It was just that I'm not safe.
Listen, I don't want you to go.
Let's go. Let's just go.
Come here.
Yeah, Princess, you're going to make me feel like new virgin. See, please, we'll just go.
Let's go. I'm gonna miss you.
I will say lights. I will say lights. We just go off. Oh. Princess, I need to go now. Let's go.
Alright, I'll see you off.
Alright, thank you.
Amara, His Majesty the King instructed me to come with my people.
So, you're getting married to the princess?
Yeah. Listen, I understand how you feel. And I apologize for everything. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm happy for you.
Are you sure?
In the palace, hey, Paul Walker, Paul and Silas, you all too much, hey, you all too much. Silas the slayer, somebody in the palace, where they like slaves, somebody in the palace. Paul Walker, a very good chief chef, you know they take eyes, see sweet baby, a chef with different. Paul Walker, you think it's right the way you behave. You think it's right the way you behave. Oh my dear, my dear. Oh my dear, my dear. You think you're smart in all you do. This is sinful, man. It's not good at all. Things has fallen apart. No more rules and respect.
What's going on here?
Your Majesty, we want to go.
Yes, Your Majesty. We are leaving. I am leaving, Your Majesty.
Leave to where and why? Your Majesty, my mother has been having running stomach for a while now. And I want to go and see if I can take her to the hospital.
Same here, Your Majesty. My own mother's running stomach started since 3 months ago. And I want to go and be with her, Your Majesty.
So both of you, your mothers are having running stomach?
Yes, Your Majesty.
What? Why are you people lying now? Don't even try to pinch me again. If I have not worked with you for a very long time in this Paris, I would have said you are a fresh eater. Your Majesty, sorry about that. Why are you lying? Your Majesty, I cannot lie as you see me so. In fact, the spirit of lying has left my body for a very long time ago. I remember the day I died now. By then I was just 6 months old. When I died. It took me 10 years for my teeth to grow up. I did not have teeth again, all this process. Madam, do you know that my mother went a very long way to go all the way to Uruan local government just to meet the most powerful and strongest native doctor? That is how they work on me. It took them a very long time before my teeth came back. And I said to myself, okay, that's some fun. We'll never die again. So I cannot stand here now. Madam, we want to leave. We are tired of being here. We want to go. Yeah, I remember. What are we doing here? There is nothing left here. In fact, we are the people that the stomach is paining. So let us go outside and look for how to take care of the stomach, since there's no man again in this Paris that will help us to stop the stomach for our free digestion. Now, our stomach is empty. We need men.
Young lady, I don't understand what you're talking about.
Your Majesty, all of us came into this Paris to find love, Nyanga. Yes, we all had our different motive when we came into this Paris. Just to find our true loves and the love of our lives, so that we can go and grow old together before we die. But madam, we were so close to achieving that dream before you now came in like in the Jericho. That's the wall of Jericho, and then you broke us from achieving it. Yes, we managed to groom our men in this Paris. We were so close to it. As we were going, they were running. Madam, we were going, they were running. We were going. The little closer that we got to them to grab them, madam, you took them away from us. You choose them to do giveaway for your daughters. Madam, you did not have the conscience of God in your life to even say, let you remain for these people that have been working for you. The only man that we have in this Paris is just that useless one that is not even useful. He cannot do anything.
No one told me we have mentally retarded maidens in this palace.
Hey. Okay, I know that you will not understand. That means you will not understand. But let me digest it in a little way that it will enter your knowledge and understanding, so that if you can understand something, it will understand you into your knowledge. Okay, what I mean is that the little love we had in this Paris, okay, you use all your daughters. You use your daughters to do promo copy to all the men. Okay, you did not leave anyone for us. So we have decided to go outside and look for menses. That's because we are more than 2. That's menses in plural form. So we can see men that can use us. Okay, do you want us to remain in this Paris and grow old? Do you want us to have a, what is it called? A menopause. Is it menopause or menopause? Okay, if we get to that standard, we will not be able to carry a child. Yes. You want us to be barren. Even the Bible calls women that are barren when they are not useful, they are not productive. Or it might be when we have arthritis that they will not be able to raise our leg again. Before fully release, okay, it's not going to work. So let us go outside, look for our men and
My daughter, you deserve the best of life. Yes, you do. Unfortunately, your late mother never believed in me. But like they say, no one knows tomorrow. I've always known your late mother to that kind of woman that will never cut her clothes according to her size. But never in my wildest imagination did I ever think that she would go to the extent of transferring the paternity of her daughter to another man. I mean, putting the paternity on another person. Still because of money. Probably she never believed I would bounce back on business again. I think that must be her reason for doing that. It's unfortunate. You see, we looked for a child, pregnancy for a good number of years. We sought advice from friends, And that led us to spiritual houses, prayer houses, and same led us to the Oyanyemili shrine, the one they call the river goddess. The rest is history. We'll get back to you. But by the time we get back to you, my business started fluctuating seriously, from bad to worse each day. Before I could say a word, that is my utmost surprise. Yeah, late mother eloped with you at a very tender age. She vanished into the thin air. Great thing, you've been delivered of the evil forces enshrined in you. Look at all my successes, all the cars, the houses, the properties. It belongs to you and I. My angel, you are in good hands. Daddy loves you. Feel at home, my daughter. Feel at home. Feel at home. Life is no longer going to be so again with you. You are now born of a silver spoon in your mouth. Forget about days of hardship.
Things if it change overnight, but if you don't take precaution, it goes to buy things for you. Okay, maybe we'll give
Honorable Williams, Your Majesty, Akadia.
You lie on himself.
Akadia,
I greet you.
You're welcome, sir.
Wow.
So how has it been?
Well, to God be the glory, we are kicking.
You see, I can feel it in you. You see, you people in government, you don't feel this economic crunch we are facing, we the ordinary people. That's it.
Your Majesty, it's the same 10 and 10 pence everywhere. Who told you? Are we not together in this country? We are feeling it. Honestly, we are feeling it.
Really? That's all right.
Sorry, sir. What can we offer you?
Wow. My queen, don't bother.
Honorable Williams, once again you are welcome to my kingdom.
Your Majesty, thank you very much. It's a pleasure.
You said you don't want to take anything, sir?
No, my queen. Am I expecting some people to join us? Yes.
Okay, sir.
You mean you are expecting some people in my palace?
Yes, I do. I'm expecting them. Anyone from Nanda will join us. In fact, let me go straight to the point why I'm here. Your Majesty, I have come to marry your daughters.
Meaning?
Your two princesses.
You? You are here to marry my daughters?
You know them very well.
Your Majesty, we do. Here they are. Your two princesses. Beautiful ones.
Greetings, sir.
Greetings, sir.
You're welcome, my children. You're welcome. Yes. Beautiful ones.
Wait. Jokes apart.
Yes.
You mean you know my two daughters?
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Okay, here they are.
I don't get it.
Yes.
Silas.
My goodness.
Paul.
You mean Silas and Paul?
My children.
Right. Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings.
I'll just do a formal introduction.
Right.
Meet my father, Honorable Williams. Father.
Son?
I'm sure you met the king already.
Yes, I do.
King Odumodu, the great king with a good heart.
Exactly.
And that's the amiable, pretty wife. And of course, his 2 lovely daughters. Oh, that's the son.
I can't believe this. You speak fluently.
Wow.
Good English with good dictions.
Yes.
He was all over the place speaking pidgin and all those nasty.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. They are both products of Oxford. First class. Yes, first class. 2 of them.
Your Majesty, Your Highness, I can see how surprised you all are. But it's okay. We are here for good. You see, I'll just go straight to the point. Our real names are Franklin and Francis Williams. Yes. You see, after we returned from the UK, after our master's degree, actually, my father insisted we must get married. And my father raised us to be respectful gentlemen. And when he tells us to do something, we do it with immediate effect. We got confused and didn't know how to go about getting married because a good woman is hard to find. We were very confused. We wanted women who would be with us for who we are and not what we are. Thanks to our good friend here, Mr. Donald.
What's the plan?
He's been a brother to us. He's a bank manager, actually. He actually came up with an exciting plan. And that plan was to disguise ourselves and pretend to be who we are not, just to find true love. And that is how we found ourselves here.
Greetings, Your Majesty, and greetings, Your Highness.
You're welcome. Your Majesty, I must confess, you have beautiful daughters.
Not just beautiful, amazing daughters, Your Majesty.
Yes.
They're nice people.
They're very humble.
They're intelligent.
Eloquent.
Sweet daughters.
Very endowed.
Above all, they're very sexy.
Yes. Wonderful.
King, if we're not asking for too much.
Your Majesty, my brother is wasting time. We're here to marry your daughters.
What? That's too direct.
Yeah, just go straight to the point, bro. Step by step. Your Majesty, the truth is, if we don't marry them now, someone might take them away from us.
Who's taking them now?
How sure are you, bro?
Yes, so. Yes. No wasting time. That's why we are here.
But bro, you just give the direct.
But listen.
Your Majesty, the ball is in your court.
Things if it change overnight, but if you don't take precaution, it goes to buy things for you. Okay, maybe we're looking for. If you wise, voila. If you know wise, voila. You know the fix no. Everything where they happen under your nose. If you get money, voila. If you don't get it, voila. You know the fit control. Everything where they happen under your nose. Look at the Delicate matters are better handled with great tactics, you want them all, and the carefulness, so you cannot.
Onye okike daalụ, Chukwu okike daalụ. Ewo. Hai! Onye n'igwe, Chukwu okike, ekele dịrị gị o. Chimerika, Chimerika, Chimerika. Mụ na Chimu dị na mma, mụ na Chimu dị na mma. Hide, hide. Yeah! 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 Hit it! Yeah! Now we are. Yeah! Now we are. Yeah! Chimarika! Muna chimudi namma. Yeah! 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 The gods have decided to wipe our tears with mighty baskets of joy. Hey! Nai.
What happened?
Ekene's wife, our daughter-in-law, has put to bed. Hi! Chime! Nani, do you know what she got? A boy and a girl. Ejima. Chimudajo. Nai, I have to go to the hospital and take these things to them. Eh? Hey! Chimo! Hey! Hey! Nai! Let me go and give her this nsala de oku. Hey! Ofe nsala o! Nsala de oku 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 o!
A boy and a girl. Uloma, my late daughter. So this is how you reconnected back to your father's house. May the gods be praised.
Love. Sometimes it turns a mystery. Coming from odd places. Paul and Silas. Well, I am so happy for them. And I am also happy for my daughters, Thelma and Mildred. They found love. My king, Thank you so much for consenting to their union. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, I love my children. Whatever makes them happy also makes me happy.
Yes, my king. Thank you. You are the best.
Abale.
Thank you.
This if it's change overnight. But if you don't take precaution, it goes to buy things for you. Okay, maybe we'll give if you wise, voila. If you know wise, voila. You know the fix now. Everything where they happen under your nose. If you get money, voila. If you don't get it, voila. You know the fix control. Everything where they happen under your nose. Look at it, I want that game. I will leave it. I can't do delicate matters are better handled with great tactics. You want them all and the carefulness so you can achieve your desired result. Things if it change overnight, but if you don't take precaution, it goes to buy things for you. Okay, maybe we'll give if you wise, voila. If you know wise, voila. You know the fix now. Everything where they happen under your nose. If you get money, voila. If you don't get it, voila. You know the fix control. Everything where they happen under your nose. Now from